I'm going to ask your soul to bring you to a life, a very important life for you that has impacted you and your other lives. 5, just let your soul speak to you. 4, 3, let the image come in. 2, and 1. Where has your soul taken you?
I'm just staring at a mountain right now.
Beautiful. What does this mountain look like?
Flying over the mountain, around the mountain.
Flying with your body or in a vehicle?
Flying with my body.
Oh, how wonderful.
Flying around this mountain that has snow on it. It's nighttime.
And you're just flying around.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel as though you're human or another type of being?
It's so nice to fly. I can see the sunrise. And I can fly.
What kind of body do you feel you have?
I think I'm a bird.
Oh, how nice, a bird.
I'm a big, I'm a large bird. I
Okay.
have dark wings. I'm a smart bird. I think I'm a smart bird, and I think all the other birds are dumb.
Well, maybe that's
Um,
true.
I feel very intelligent as a bird.
And
I know things, and
what kind of things do you know?
I know about the earth and its magic, and the sky and its magic.
So you are an earth bird.
It's sad that the other birds don't understand the magic. It's
Well, what kind of bird do you think you are?
I think I'm a turkey buzzard or a crow, a large crow. I need
Okay.
to. I'm gonna land.
If you land, do you land with other birds like you?
No, I'm alone. Just trying to find a place to land. Oh, I'm on a journey. I can't land in this place.
Oh,
It's yeah. Yeah. I have to get somewhere.
what's your mission?
It's seasonal. It's cold, and I've got to get through. I'm coming from the north.
Okay.
I felt this like a sting of cold.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be here in this area.
Oh, okay. And you're flying alone, though. There's no other birds that are traveling with you.
No, I'm getting very nauseous. I'm nauseous. I'm not gonna make it. I wasn't supposed to be here.
You left too late.
I did. I'm very nauseous and cold. but it's so beautiful to fly.
Tell me what happens.
I wind up in the snow. I'm so nauseous. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
Is your,
I
does
don't
your,
like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all.
does
Oh,
your, does your soul stay in the body or does it leave?
it's just and I haven't left yet. I just feel so nauseous and cold.
Okay.
Just
Let yourself leave that body, go to the very end, leave that bird, let your soul float out. I'd like you to find your guide, your soul's guide. Call in your soul's guide. Tell me when your guide is showing
sure.
up.
I'm just good.
I want you to ask your guide what the purpose of that life as a bird was for you. What did you need to learn?
I wanted to fly. My guide it just said I wanted to fly.
Okay. And that was the only purpose of that life?
And he said I'm stubborn. He said it's okay. Lots of souls want to experience different
Yes.
things.
Ask
he
your
asked
soul.
me
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
he asked me what am I doing there? I said, oh man, I'm learning. He's, he's a little upset with me.
Your guide is?
Yes.
For what reason?
He said some things are best not remembered. Painful, sorrowful. And he's proud of me. He says I'm doing good. He says I'm loved.
Yes.
So I'm not nauseous anymore.
What was that?
I'm not nauseous anymore. I thanked him for coming.
Your guide?
Yes.
Yes. So he's gone now.
No, he's still there. He said he would stay.
Can you ask your guide if there is a life that is a life that you can learn something from to help you in this life as Emily and be able to visit that lifetime, that time line.
I'll ask. He's he's thinking. He said, I've learned so much in this timeline.
Yes. Perhaps he can
You,
perhaps he can guide you to a life that if it's not going to be something that you learn something significant, then maybe it could be a life that's very different from this life that is just a learning experience, something fun, like a life as a different kind of being, for example.
he's he's taking me to a place. He's showing me a place. He says, but you're not going to understand it.
That's okay.
It's okay. There's gases everywhere,
Yes.
stars rotating stars, rotating in space. I see other beings that float in the gases.
What do they look like?
They look like ETs, but it's like we don't have a physical body.
Yes. Do you look like any particular color or form of any kind?
It's like a green gas, but we have a form. It's not anything that we know of ETs to be. We look different where it's green, beautiful green cats, and we glow.
Green cats?
Black gas. We are like mist. We are like energy mists.
Kind of like a cloud?
Yes.
How
And we
beautiful.
are so happy. I recognize the happiness.
And what do you do while you're there?
We do things with energy.
For yourselves or for other beings also?
I'm not sure. But the way that we work together is not taxing. We are incredibly happy. But it's a, it's not happiness. I don't know what that is. There's no, I don't know.
Do you work
It's
together for a common project?
like we do this so that this can happen. And yeah, we work together so something like, it keeps us safe. It keeps us. I do things with energy.
And it keeps you being safe or other being
Yeah,
safe?
it keeps our kind safe.
Okay. And do you have a particular place that you reside?
Where is this? way beyond Orion,
Beyond Orion. Okay.
but even farther.
Is it in this solar system?
No.
Okay. Do you know what solar system it is in?
Mm-mm. We don't. There's not a name. It's like it's almost like we don't need a name. Everything has its own sound. We don't feel threatened. We do what we do with the energy to keep our selves together in some kind of way.
Do you have a purpose?
Don't quite understand.
A collective purpose? Not
Yeah,
it.
we 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 do things with the energy. Like the energy's already there, but the way that our bodies are, we can transmute the energy. We do something with the energy between each other. I don't understand.
And is it just for your unique civilization, or does that energy ripple out into any other civilizations or beings?
No, there's no one else. It's just us.
Okay.
It's
So
kind of a
you,
planet. It is a planet. There's a solid part to the planet that we're
oh,
around.
okay,
We're the gas around the planet. But
okay.
we're intelligent. We think. We do things.
And are there any other um, beings or living things on the planet?
There is, yes, there's like crystals. There's like life that is life that wouldn't be considered life on Earth.
So crystals.
I see crystals, some like organic beings. Like they're not, you can't see them, but
And do you
they're there.
communicate? You communicate with these crystals via
The,
vibrations or frequencies?
the planet is alive.
Yes. Is the planet a crystal?
There's minerals. It's really beautiful.
Is there any water on this planet?
There's ice
Ice. Okay.
and
So
some
yes.
spaces.
Is there a one sun?
I don't feel like we have a sun close enough. That's why we are there. That's the energy warms.
Are there any other planets around in that system that you know of?
Mm, I can't see beyond where I am.
So you stay there, you don't travel off.
Mm, mm.
Okay.
We work together to create the barrier for the planet.
Okay.
And that's just, and we're happy to do that.
Okay. And there are a finite number of you, or do you, reproduce or replicate?
Yes, we replicate.
Okay. Can you tell me about that?
Two of the gas beings can make another gas being. Or a gas being can divide. It can happen either.
And you communicate through frequencies,
Yes,
kind of like Emily does on Earth with her music.
yes,
And is this lifetime of Emily's soul connected in any way with the lifetime that Emily is living on Earth?
yes.
How so?
The energy of love is encoded in her soul. That frequency is connected to this feeling of happy, how energy is created and used to protect in perfect harmony with this planet.
Feel that
So,
connection. I want you to make the connection and I want you to really feel it, learn about it so you can take it with you. Share like you do as a gas being. Share with each other. Just soak it in. Perhaps there can be some frequencies that can be given to you, Emily, that can be translated into music or song. If so, remember. Remember what you're given. Remember the gifts. Take them with you and offer your love back in return. Feel how the gas moves, swirling, the fluid motions, intertwining and intermingling with each other. And the communication that overlaps with every being. Feel the movements and the songs. And when you're done communicating, take your time. But when you're done, just let me know.
Mm. I'm good.
Very good. I'd like to thank your soul for bringing you there. What a beautiful place. Unique.